Hey everyone, just showing some quick updates to our schedule that were added this week. One is we now have the ability to copy and paste into the name and description text boxes. So these are now, editable fields. I can, come in and have Mason write me a little description of doing demolition or doing a bathroom or something like that, and I can come in here and just click in and paste in the text. So really straightforward, nice simple thing. The other nice thing that we've added in here is also the ability to copy and paste the tasks and phases. So essentially kind of like duplicating them. So in this example, I can come in here and I can grab all of bathroom one by holding shift. I can right click and I can copy, and then I am going to add this to the end. So I'm going to select the last scheduled task and I'm going to hit paste, and that drops the whole thing in. It is a duplicate, so it's going to have names like bathroom one hyphen two. You can go in and change those because it's just a duplicate of those. But I can also insert things in. So for example, if I wanted to add flooring in twice, I could come in here and copy and paste, and that will duplicate it in wherever I'm pasting it. So it pastes below. Functionality is really nice there. Just makes things a lot easier. The other thing I can do is if you're more of a keyboard person, you can also come in here and do your normal Control C and Control V functions as well. So those work too. So just nice ways to be able to copy in names and text descriptions, as well as duplicate parts of a project if you need to. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.